Me? Obsessed with you? Yes.
So begin with adding sound and blank background. Extend the background till the person stops speaking. Me obsessed with you. Yes. Let me know what you think about today's video. Then start adding your text according to the audio. By the way, do voiceover helps understanding the video better or not? Let me know. Exit the project and duplicate it for later use. Choose the first project, delete sound, and export the video. Add new project and add the video you just exported. Go to Effects Lens and choose Soft Effect. Put the intensity at 70. Now go to Distortion. Choose Ripple Distortion. Now open the project that we left for later use. Replace the blank clip with the video you just exported, the one with text. Delete the text. Now finally add your clips. I'll mention the duration of clips, so make them the same length. Make sure you've your clips the same length as mine before adding speed graph, because speed graph will make your clips shorter. Now go to Speed and Curve. Choose Flash In. Apply to all clips. For the next step, go to Animation. Choose Swing Top Left and put the duration at 0.2 for all the clips. Go to Out Animation and choose Fade Out Duration 0.1 second and apply to all clips but for last clip. Put Fade Out Duration at 0.3 or 0.4 second. Now go to Video Effects and then Opening Closing section. Select Slanted Blur, Blur 100, Rotate 75. Make it the shorter length as possible. And duplicate it, then copy for all the clips. For flash effect, add a white overlay from stock videos. Fill it to screen. Set the duration 0.4 seconds. Choose Animation Fade Out. Set it to 0.4 seconds. Go to Blend and choose Overlay. Put the intensity at 80. Apply to all the clips. For flicker effect, add a text. Type A dot and fill it to the screen. Go to Style, choose Color Black, Opacity 10 to 13. Animation Loop and select Flash. Put the speed at 0.1 second. Now for panning effect, go to Video Effects and select Camera Shake, range 9 and speed 12. Extend to the end of the video. Now export the video and you're good to go.
Me? Obsessed with you?